How to cancel an Expedia reservation. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guide, and in today's guide video I'll show you how to cancel an Expedia hotel reservation in two different ways. One is from PC and one is from mobile, but I'll just show you from the mobile. Now you can cancel an Expedia hotel reservation without fees in just a few seconds on the Expedia site, as long as you're still inside a particular grace period for a reservation. You can also cancel reservations using the Expedia app or by calling Expedia at 1-800-397-3342. I'll also make sure to leave their calling number in the description. Just make sure you have your reservation number handy, as you will need to enter it into an automated system. On rare occasions, hotels listed on Expedia have non-refundable bookings, so make sure to double check a hotel's policy before committing. So let's say that you're not going to Hawaii next month after all. Well, that's a bummer, but if you booked your hotel via Expedia, at least you can cancel the reservation quickly and in most cases without any fees. That is, as long as you're inside the property's allotted cancellation window, which in most cases is just a few days before the stay start date. Now, if you are here, here's how to cancel your Expedia reservation. In order to cancel Expedia reservation using a mobile device, just go ahead and open the application on your iPhone or Android and tap on the trips at the bottom center. Tap on the hotel you're looking to cancel and then just choose the option called cancel and then confirm it. As you can see, the option called free cancellation. Now it says that as you start a booking, you'll clearly see a free cancellation listed for the hotel you are considering. If they offer the convenience, you can just tap on it in order to do so. That's all it takes to cancel an Expedia reservation. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.